Hey guys, it's Cornstar here, and before we get into the video, I would like to thank you for watching, and please leave a like and subscribe, and enjoy the video. Alright, now let's get into the video.
Oh,
Did you get shot as well?
shit. Oh, I
might-
can't remember the buttons to this game. Oh, fuck.
Hang on.
Oh, hey, there's
Okay.
the guy right there.
I had to whack you once. Where is he? Wait, I just don't have enough
You see
health
him?
to be
There he is
poking
on
out
the
yet.
bike.
I don't have enough health to be poking out yet. Alright, now I can. Wait. There's a sniper
There
out
he is.
to the right. Yep, he's up on the hill. Up on the hill. Up on the hill. Oh, jeez!
I see him, I'm
Ouch.
dead.
Yeah, I see. I saw where he is. There's just a big random lump on the hill. Oh! I threw a random grenade and got a kill! Going for it.
Lucky!
I got it! Let's go, let's go! I got it, Corey, I got it! Get back, get back, get back! I got it, buddy, let's do this.
Hey, there's
Corey.
a guy right there.
Corey, let's do this.
What? Oh shit, I'm like
Let's
almost
go.
dead. Oh, there's a guy right here. There's a shimmering one right there.
Whoa, to the
there's
right,
two
to the right!
there.
I'm turning around, I'm turning
Oh
around.
my god!
Get him, get him, get him, get him, get him!
Oh, I'm dead!
Ah.
Oh shit! Stay on the bike. I'm switching my gas.
Yeah.
Oh, don't die! Don't die! Don't die!
Ah.
Get somewhere where I can spawn here. Oh, come on! There we go. One. All right, here we go. I'm gonna limp that charge these motherfuckers.
No!
Let's go! Ow!
Dead!
Ow!
He pistoled me twice. He killed me with two pistol rounds. I didn't think that would be possible. Just stay alive right now.
We were.
I have my limpet charge, but I am gonna have to switch guns really quick. Alright, I can't spawn on you. Sheesh. Just stay alive. I got you, I got you. I'm on.
I don't know. I don't know where they're
Oh my
at.
god, oh my god, oh my god. I'm just spinning right now. Alright, let's go to the go to a base then. They won't see it coming.
All right, we'll go to that one all the way over there, I guess.
Alright, yeah. F. Dun, 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 dun,
Whoa!
dun, dun,
Oh, I
dun.
think they,
Oh,
I'm
Jesus!
pretty sure they
I'm getting in a
definitely know
building.
we're over here now.
I'm getting in a building.
Hier, Munition für dich!
I don't think we should both be ammo. I should have probably. Oh, tank! Tank!
Oh,
There's a Sir Tankerton! It's not happy.
I'm just gonna stay real. I'm gonna be very,
No,
very
no.
quiet.
No, stupid thing.
Oh, I don't know if they know where I am or not.
Alright, I'm gonna hop in with you.
Oh,
No, they definitely. I
God.
can't spawn on you.
Is he? Don't crash. Don't tell me he's crashing. God damn it, he's crashed. Alright, we'll spawn here. And
I have
we'll
is there a
run.
plane I can take.
Oh, that bike's on fire. Should I attempt it anyways?
I
Hot,
like to
hot,
do this
hot, hot. Okay. No, that's no good.
Hot, 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 hot.
I was going for the Bayonet kill, man. Come on, man.
Corey,
Enemy tank!
Corey. You should. Yeah, this is a good idea. You picked the right class.
Oh. Oh.
Oh
hey.
shit!
Click, click, boom! What?
Click, click. He got out. He got out. Bayonet charge. Skilly-doo. Oh shit!
No!
Three people got bayonet charged at the same time. I bayonet charged him, he bayonet charged me, and you bayonet charged him.
No!
That was awesome to watch. I don't care. That was fucking epic as shit. Bayonet!
Yes!
Okay,
No! There's another one!
I got you. I'm coming. Oh, He sees
Damn it! Damn it!
He sees too much!
He sees
Why?
it.
Why? Why? Stop! I got him! I can't move though.
I just saw you run. I just saw you run a complete circle around him.
Well, I tried to melee him and then I just started sprinting and then he got completely lost. He had no idea where the hell I went.
Oh.
Ah! Get up and run!
Holy
Get up
shit.
and run! Ouch!
Oh god! Oh
Did
my
you
god!
watch my body go flying? Alright. Epic.
Run!
You know what this is?
Backflip! That's a backflip. That's us about to die. That's an enemy plane.
Hideki Dojo! Banzai!
He's gonna actually do it!
Oh god!
How did I die? I jumped out of the plane!
Wait, no! Ah,
No, 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 their whole team is here! Their whole team is here!
I don't care!
Oh my god!
Ah,
Was that your plane? I got
Ah,
this. It's my turn, Eddie. I'm coming in. I'm coming in.
Okay.
Are they
I'm
still
coming
at
with
D?
You. You stole my plane. I was going to get into that.
Lost objective Charlie.
Hideki Dojo! Banzai! I got one! I got
Someone
I kind of just want to do this
graciously,
for the rest of the
oh,
game.
We're
Okay.
turning.
When you realize someone's a transvestite, why you gotta be a dude?
Hideki
Switch.
Dojo! Banzai!
Oh god!
How did
Shit.
I hit a guy for
No.
46 with a plane? How do you get a 46? Get him! Get him! Got one of them.
Yeah, go for the rebound.
He got me!
Oh, no, no. Oh.
Shit. Holy shit.
I
Alright,
saw
I'm
you
gonna
get
be
up.
ammo.
You
I'm
look
gonna
like
go
a
back to
newborn
ammo.
deer.